Come on. The shelter's this way. I'll go in with you. What are you doing? It's gonna get below freezing tonight. Hey. Okay. Okay, just wait a second. Just tell me where you want to go. I can take you anywhere. You want to go to another shelter? We can go get some food? I can take you to a fucking movie. I don't care. Just tell me what I'm supposed to do.
Hey, I said, you got something back there.
She just picked up a new
Chula, you made it.
Looking good, Chula.
I don't know, Ese. She's looking a little pasty white to me.
Chewy, you stink.
You trying to be like one of those gringas now, Chula?
Chewy, just leave her alone, man.
Chill, man. I'm just playing.
Just leave her alone.
She knows I'm just playing. Right? Chula.
Fuck you, Chewy.